we'll guide you through how to create a free Wix website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website using your desktop browser. Once you're there, click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to create an account, so either log in with your existing credentials or sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Wix ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. Here, you can choose to either let Wix create a website for you based on a few questions or start from scratch with the Wix editor. If you want quick results, choose the ADI option. Answer the simple questions about your site's purpose and design preferences. The ADI will generate a personalized website, which you can then customize. If you prefer more control, select the Wix editor to choose from hundreds of templates. Once you select a template, you enter the editor where you can drag and drop elements like text, images, and videos. Click on any element to edit it, double-click text to change it, and use the toolbar to adjust colors, fonts, and styles. Add new pages through the Menus and Pages tab. You can also include additional features like a blog, online store, or contact form by using the Add Apps feature. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Publish in the top right corner. This will make your website live on the web with a free Wix domain. Remember, the free version includes Wix ads and a Wix domain. If you want a custom domain and no ads, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.